Okay, let's go.
My goal for the day was to go out by the water and do a sketch, but it was cold and windy and the sun was blah. So I ended up just taking a few photos, sat in my car, and sketched what I could see. So here's the sketch that I did from my car. Nothing spectacular, but goal accomplished.